Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this gray X mark on your files showing on desktop. So how to fix this and how to remove this, let's get started. What you have to do is right click and refresh. Sometimes that is a glitch, so maybe refreshing your system may fix the gray arrow glitch. Now what you have to do is open control panel and then click on category and click on large icons. Now you have to search for sync center, click on this and then click on manage offline files. Now just click on enable, now just click on disable offline files. It might have been enabled for you guys, so just disable it, click on apply, okay, and then restart your PC. This would definitely remove the gray X icon from your files and it would fix your problem. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.